East-West brain wiring, individualism versus collectivism. Opening scene, the culture puzzle. Ever notice how some cultures focus on the self, others on the group? I'm Brent, a licensed clinical social worker, filming today from beautiful Mendoza, Argentina. And welcome to BCK Solves Puzzles. Today we're unpacking East-West brain differences. Western individualism, self-object focus versus Eastern collectivism, context relationships. Through a cultural tale, psychological insights, and modern traps, we'll explore neural pathways shaped by culture, plus one tool to navigate them. If you're in crisis, call 988. Hit like, subscribe, and let's solve this puzzle together. A cultural tale, the picture puzzle. Picture Tara in a Western village, shown a rabbit, dog, and carrot. She groups rabbits and dog, both animals, focusing on the self in categories. In an Eastern village, Tara groups rabbit and carrot. Rabbits eat carrot, emphasizing relationships and context. Evolution wired our brains for both, but culture shapes which. Today, a Westerner might prioritize personal goals. An Easterner, group harmony. Same neural pathways, different emphasis. Culture is a puzzle of wiring. Psychology, how culture wires the brain. Cultural psychology shows Western individualist brains prioritize analytic processing, focusing on objects and rules, such as categorizing items by type. Eastern collectivist brains favor holistic processing, seeing context and relationships, like how things connect in a scene. Neural pathways differ subtly. Westerners show stronger activation in object-focused areas. Example, fusiform, face area, a brain region that recognizes individual faces and objects. Easterners in context-sensitive regions, example, parahippocampal place area, a brain area that processes scenes and backgrounds. The amygdala, your brain's fear and emotion center, reacts more to in-group faces and collectivists. Biologically, genes and environment prune pathways early. Western upbringing strengthens self-focused circuits. Evolutionarily, individualism suited nomadic hunters. Collectivism, cooperative farmers. Behaviorally, Westerners emphasize personal achievement, while Easterners harmony. Research from Sapolsky in his book Behave from 2017 and Nisbett, The Geography of Thought in 2003, shows culture rewires neural pathways, influencing everything from perception to morality. Understanding this promotes empathy. Culture, the wiring trap. Modern culture reinforces wiring. Western media celebrates individual heroes. Think Hollywood, strengthening self-focus. Eastern media highlights harmony, highlights group harmony. Korean dramas emphasize family. In Tara's time, culture shapes survival. Today, globalization blurs lines, but traps like Western individualism ignoring community needs or Eastern collectivism suppressing self persist. Recognizing this trap fosters cross-cultural understanding. Tools to navigate cultural wiring. One tool, perspective shift. Ask, how would the other culture see this? This activates your prefrontal cortex, rewiring for empathy as my clients do. And now for the closing tale. Bridge the wiring. Tara's picture puzzle showed culture's power. Yours can bridge it. This is educational, not therapy. Consult a professional for concerns. Have you felt the East-West divide? If so, share in the comments below. Hit like, subscribe, and hit the bell. Call 988 if you're in crisis. And next, another mind puzzle. Stay tuned, stay balanced, stay clear, and I'll see you soon.